Welcome to solverfy.
For this problem, we know that 70% of the US recycles. We're looking at college students, and we ask 250 college students if they recycle, and 204 of them say they do. So our null hypothesis, our claim is that 70% of these college students recycle. We want to see if the actual proportion of the college students who recycle is greater than 70%. We have an alpha level of 0.01, and since we're looking at greater than, this is a right-tailed test. So we have a critical value of 2.33. That is positive. So now we need to find our test values. We start by finding our p-hat. That's equal to x over n. This is our sample proportion. So we have 205 over 250. Sorry, 204 over 250. And we get 0.816 as our proportion. And then we need to find our z value, which is equal to p hat minus p, the square root, p times 1 minus p over n. So we have 0.816 minus 0.70 all over the square root of 0.7 times 0.3 over 250. And we get a z value of 4.0. So next we are going to graph this on a normal curve, the mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. First we'll graph our critical value in red. So it's 2.33. So that's about here. And then we'll shade in the rest of that. And next we'll do our test value in green, and that is 4.0. Our test value definitely falls within our critical region, because really our graph goes like this all the way, never really touching 0. So we should it would shade all of that in, except that's difficult and kind of unreasonable to graph. But this means that our test value falls within the critical region. So we reject the null or the claim. So to summarize, this means that we have enough evidence to conclude that the proportion of college students who recycle is greater than 70%. And that's our answer.